We have a well-worn and used Glory, made in Austria. It says Glory AUTOMAT, period. I'm assuming that stands for automatic, although this lighter would be what we typically call a semi-automatic mechanism, in that you push the button, the lighter ignites, but you still have to close it to put it out. So anyway, Glory lighter, made in Austria, Glory AUTOMAT. Has some other markings there that I am not aware of what it means. Triangle with some letters in it. Patent number there. This particular lighter was looks like promotional advertising for Semperit cord. Works pretty well. Cool little old lighter.